Hello guys! I'm here walking guys. It's feeling fresh. Yun, mahangin. Feel fresh guys. Tingnan nyo. Diba? May hangin guys. So I think hindi naman din siguro ulan guys. Diba? So yun ang update. Masarap maglakad din yung it feels so cool and fresh. Diba? May hangin. So, okay pa sa all right guys. Kahit hindi tayo magpayong. O, di ba? Very good naman din guys. At sa wakas, nakalakad ako. Nakalabas ba ako guys? I mean it. Na naka-going out ako guys. Kasi kanina pa ako parang sa isip ko parang nagdadalawang isip guys. Kung maglabas ba or hindi. Parang feeling tinamad ba guys? Ayun. Naano pa rin yung paglakad ko guys. So yun ang update ko guys at this moment. So dito tayo guys sa ilalim ng kakahuyan guys. Kita nyo guys. Ito guys. It feels ano guys. Forest. May ano man doon ano ang ginagawa nila dyan? Doon sa ilog ba guys? So yun, in-enjoy lang natin ang walking guys kasi it's very good. So far so good. God is good. Na the weather is good and we don't have rain. O diba? Walang ulan. It feels cold to walk. Very cold to walk guys. So at the same time, it's exercise na din guys. Diba? Exercise walking tayo guys is the best for our health. Yun ang update natin guys. Everyone kayo dyan. Yung mga updates nyo guys. I think ang ano dyan. Kayo dyan guys. Nag-relaxing ba no? Karamihan nag-relaxing at this time. Natulog, diba? Sleeping time. In the afternoon, relaxing, diba? So ako guys, wala. Naglakad na naman guys. So far, it feels still good. No? So yun lang ang update ko guys. I think mahaba na siguro ang video ko guys. So thank you so much for watching everyone. Have a blessed day and keep safe. Medyo maulan-ulan ang panahon natin guys. So I think no, sabi nila na may ano na naman daw. Parating na naman daw yung bagyo guys. So maingat din talaga ang lahat no. Ingat, keep safe ang lahat at always tayong magdasal guys. Always pray. Don't forget it and God bless everyone. See you next again. Bye guys. Mwah.